In this video I will show you how to generate and add SSH key to GitHub account. For this you do not need any SSH command to type to generate SSH key. For this simply go to search and type GitGway and select it from the list. Next click on help and then select show SSH key. I have not generated SSH key so it is initially empty. To generate click on generate key button at the top. It may ask you to give some passphrase. You can leave as it is and click on OK. You can see public SSH key is shown here. Now go to run and type %user profile % and click on OK. Next navigate to SSH folder as shown here. You can see your currently generated public and private SSH key here. Now you simply have to open your GitHub account. After successfully log in, click on profile icon at the top. Then click on settings. Then on the left click on SSH and GPG keys. Click on new SSH key. Give any name to it. Now go to GitGway and then click on copy to clipboard button. Then just come to GitHub and paste it under key. Then click on add SSH key. It may ask you GitHub password. Just insert it. So we have successfully inserted SSH public key in GitHub. Hope you like this. Please like, share and subscribe for similar videos. Also click on bell icon so that you will not miss any update.